Unraveling the meaning of chasse, a fascinating English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, chasse. You might have heard it in various contexts, and it's a word that brings a touch of elegance and complexity to the English language. So, let's explore what chasse means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. In this section, we'll look at where chasse comes from and its basic definition. Interestingly, chasse is a term borrowed from French. In French, it literally means chased or hunting. However, in English, its meaning is quite specific. It's mostly used in the context of ballet and dancing, where it refers to a gliding dance step where one foot literally chases the other. This elegant and fluid movement is essential in many dance routines, capturing a graceful pursuit. Getting the pronunciation right is crucial, especially since it's a French word. Chasse is pronounced as chasse. Now, let's see how it's used in sentences. The dancer's chasse was graceful and effortless. In this part of the routine, you need to do a chasse to the left. These examples show how chasse can be used to describe a specific movement in dance, emphasizing its elegance and fluidity. While chasse is primarily a ballet term, it sometimes appears in other contexts. For example, in fencing, it refers to a sliding step forward or backward. In a broader sense, it can be used metaphorically to describe any smooth, gliding motion, like in the sentence, "The skater performed a move akin to a chasse across the ice." Here, chasse is used to describe a movement that resembles the ballet step in its grace and fluidity. And that's a wrap on chasse. This beautiful term, with its roots in French and its home in the world of dance, adds a touch of elegance to the English language. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, art, and history coming together. Keep exploring, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting language insights. Until next time, happy learning!